Got another quick one for you today. It's keto butter chicken. I think you're gonna like this. Stick around to the end of the video for the macros. Well, all right, let's give it a taste. Wow. Just delicious. The chicken is tender and tangy. The sauce is spicy and lovely. Just what you want, creamy, delicious, and on the bed of zucchini rice. I'll put the link to that recipe here on the screen. Really, really delicious. I think you're gonna love it. Let's check out the macros. Now the whole recipe comes down to this. 2,513 calories, 48.3 grams of net carbs, 176.1 grams of protein, and 178 grams of fat. Now, I divide this into 6 generous portions, and each one has 419 calories, 8 grams of net carbs, 29 grams of protein, and 30 grams of fat. Not bad, right? Hey, listen, before you go, don't forget to like, share, comment, and especially subscribe to my channel. Helps my channel grow, and it helps you find my videos when you click on that notifications bell, so you'll see whenever I upload. Thanks so much for joining us here today at Tin Talk Cooking, huh? We'll catch you next time.